Okay, so this is going to be the last lesson on title, subtitle, and outline. What you're looking at here is 15 books that I ordered. So I thought I'd add this into this lesson. So throughout the course, I'm actually going to show you how I publish these 15 books, which is so great for you to see. Anyway, these are 15 books. Daily Stoic, Get Out of Your Head, Habits, Grit, Law of Attraction. Don't forget this book here, Greenhouse Gardening. I'm going to go over this throughout the course at some point as a case study. Some of these niches I haven't published before, and these are just general titles. Now that the books are coming back, and that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you how I do this from scratch. And this worksheet right here, this Excel sheet, you guys are going to have access to it. So you could process your orders and do the workflow. What happened to my list here? So you'll have a copy of this Excel sheet, and this is the process that I do to go from A to Z on taking a book live. So let me show you my email and show you, once you order a book, right, you will get an email from eWriter, and you will get, let's see here. Okay, so here are all the books, and you'll get like an email. Let's just pick one book here, and this is the outline. They'll first send you the outline, and they'll send you this is on meditation, so they'll send you an outline of what the writer is going to write about. At this point, you could decide you don't want chapter 5 or you want to change something, and you'll get an outline for every book from the author, the actual person that's writing the book, the ghostwriter. So I'll show you another one. Let's just pick this one here, whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Here is another outline, right? Small changes. I decided to write a book on making a small change every week to change your life. I'm into self-development, and I've never had a book written like this before. I thought it was powerful. So here's the outline. Look how great this is, right? I have never published something like this. So again, follow what the parameters that I'm advising you to at the beginning, and then you could venture out and try new things. So today I got back some full drafts are done of the same books, and let's find one that's completed. Okay, look, this order here was completed, this book here. So when it's done, here's the book, here's a table of contents, and here's the introduction, and here's your book. So this one's done, and this is what you'll get. So it's not a big deal. I wanted to show you real life examples of how I do this, and this is, this was 6 days ago, and these are the books that are coming in, and I'm going to show you how I publish these and how I order the covers, and how I do this from A to Z, and then you'll be able to see these books on Amazon as well. So I hope this helps to show you that what I'm showing you is what I'm doing, and that this is a very doable business. It's not that complicated. All right, I'll see you on the next slide.